What's up, YouTube? Battlefield 4 today, not the 5. And I'm saying. Alright. Let me try to get a switch over, Jay. Can't switch.
Uncle Joey's on the side.
I'm gonna chopper. Yeah, quick reload. Quick reload.
Shit, we came back. Look at this.
Oh shit, Mike, hold on, I might die. Give me 2 seconds, Mike. 2 seconds. I remembered, but because I closed the stream, I lost the, you know what I'm saying, yeah, but I remembered, but give me a second. I didn't type it in the message box here, and I had it. I have to write it down right away. Killer Mike P40. Alright, oh shit. Got company. I see you, motherfucker. I see you. Oh, that's you, GR! Oh my god. Holy shit. Grenade launcher coming in.
I was like 3%. You were so lucky. One shot.
I was lucky. I saw you. I watched you reload and everything. God, I have my reticle aimed at your ass. I'm like, I see you. I was waiting for you just to step right in my reticle. Let me grab a pen. I may die. I'm gonna write this name down. Give me a second. So it's Killer Mike. P40. Alright, buddy, I'll do it in a second, buddy.
Fucking nice, no smoke.
Okay, where am I?
No smoke.
Yeah, Blueberry, we got the guys center back and left. The by the flag. They're on the road coming up from the other side. There's one. Ooh.
Goodbye. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I didn't get him, but somebody else got him. Nice.
Hold on, let me see if I could do this addition. Hold on. K-I-L-L-E-R M-I-K-E-P-40. Let me know if you get it, dude. Let me know if you get it. Did you get a request?
Who? Me?
Nah. Crackhead, not crackhead, Kraken. As in, like, you know, Kraken from that movie. And a cup of coffee. And the heal up, we're engaging our friendlies. Alright, buddy. Oh, you almost lost it. Come on. Here. Elo down. I'm bringing back the team, Jay. I'm bringing back the team.
Joker. Still in here.
Objective Charlie has just been lost.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's a hostile sniper south of your location.
How the hell that lav go?
Thank you.
These guys have been camping and hiding all day down here. Back to his buddy. You're right up top.
Where's the location? Appears to be an enemy Legion soldier.
I'll make a cup of coffee. Woo. Coffee time, boy. Coffee time. How you getting on in the queue, Prince? In the queue or? Fresh air blow through. Alright, Did the mommy teach you not to shoot after that they can kill? Joker, why you didn't? Even though I got that guy anyway. I was going about my business and I get shot in the back. Yes, yes. The Munga honorable. My girl keep ripping lines.
My gun went to
lines.
Single fire.
Right hand gripping 9. Don't you play with mine. Like you are come play around, don't play around. Come on, that one. Catch a part bonfire all year round. So who can't take fire, don't play around. Set me here my place. Islington, Port Maria, I get.
I'm spotting them. There's somebody behind us. They're staying at the bridge, Joker, right? I'm gonna go for it.
See the helo coming my way. Playing that helo. Oh shit, 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 you turned right, fucking right here and realized it. Did you above me shooting at my ass? Hit him! Damn!
To the right, there's a guy. Look at this. How can he shoot me? Oh, come on. To your right, Joker. He's going towards Delta. The side door.
Hey guys, we're coming back for the game, dude. We're coming back. Oh shit.
Oh, look at this. Ooh, thank you. Holy shit. I'm hurting big time now.
He's right behind me.
Come on, I got your back, dude.
Come on. Oh man, I got out.
Why does my gun go to single fire, man?
You have to put it back, man.
I keep doing that shit every time. I don't touch anything on my keypad. On my pad.
Happens to me a lot of times. From previous engagements, sometimes I don't know, sometimes I'm shooting and I don't think about it. Game's gonna be tight, it's tight, it's tight, it's tight. Going to Bravo. Going Bravo, I'm just going in hard. Look at this guy right here. There's two motherfuckers, look at it.
I was doing just the third time, and it's the same guy, Diamond Thief. My gun goes to single.
Shit!
Objective Echo is now under
Another guy up here, another guy up here. They got beacon, they got fucking beacon! You're lucky you got saved by the bell. 4. We won by 4. Oh my days.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Told you I'm gonna bring the team back right there, dude.
Well, you guys had a few more guys than us, too.
Hmm?
You guys had a few more guys than us.
Which area?
I'm on Russia.
Russia.
I'm on Russia, comrade.
Alright, let's do a squad then. I'm in hotel.
Hotel school, okay. Hotel. Hotel California.
Shut across the park.
My name is FPS Russia.
Oh, we got ourselves a comedian.
I'm going out.
Well, that's why I see they call me the Joker.
I am the Joker. I do it for my country.
Objective Alpha is under our control.
Sit there, Alpha. Everybody went to Delta. Bravo.
Delta.
Bravo. Whence? Oh, you want to over.
I got like Elo right there. Come on, somebody jump in it. Jump in it, let me blow it up. Oh, we got a tank on the bridge.
No, there's no fucking way. No way. Get over the
There appears to be an enemy aircraft operating north of you.
There's another guy down there.
Обнаружен вражеского солдата. Атакуйте эту цель. gunner east of your location.
Man, kill himself. Damn, I got left.
Вижу, вражеский ЛВ.
We did. We did.
Whoa.
Damn, we did. We
Somebody was
did.
shooting me.
What's up, the rat?
I'm in the corner here.
What's up?
Objective Delta is now under our control.
I moved the goddamn AA out my way, man.
Hey, hey. Come on, back up, back up, back up.
Атаковать эту цель! Атакуйте эту цель! I've lost objective.
Sure, I just see a guy run up in the bushes.
Oh, these things sometimes do. Slow ass.
Обнаружен вражеского солдата!
Freaking jet.
I've spotted a hostile helicopter just north of your position.
See it spawn bacon, Doug?
Yeah, I see it. I'm gonna try to get it.
You lucky piece of shit. Whoa, you lucky. Boy, you don't know lucky we're right there. What?
There's a motherfucker right here.
Neutralized objective Bravo.
Got him.
Обороните эту цель!
No, Chris, the drink is not going to take opportunity.
Objective Bravo.
Go, Chris.
Enemy tank east of your
Oh my god, come the fuck on.
I'm getting locked up. Can somebody take that jet down? That guy behind me now. Shit. Got hit. Damn. I counted the kill.
Oh, that stopped us.
Атаковать эту цель!
That is a rock,
Sorry,
sir.
Joker. That is alright. You got them. When you got the thermals on, sometimes you don't see them.
I spotted an enemy tank east of your position.
They don't show up too good, do they? Oh, we got a tank shot ahead.
I hit that tank with a shot.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Oh,
Holy shit.
Holy shit!
Oh, fuck.
Hold up, fucking. Hold on.
Damn.
AP.
I fucked up.
Mongolian did
I
not
fucked
down
up.
my
No, they got
shitty
3
wall.
labs, dude. No, they got 3 labs. I have 2 labs. I fucked up. They're gonna put some slams on that bitch. We have work to do, boys. We have work to do. Come on, Blooper. We have work to do. We got work to do. Going right to Delta. See them labs coming on Bravo? Get ready.
Enemy helicopter east of your current position.
This jet.
Вижу вражеский ЛВ.
Sorry, dude. Sorry, dude. I fucked this shit up. That jet was on my ass.
Обнаружен вражеский ЛАВ. Вижу ЛАВ, вражеский. Have control objective Delta. Вижу ЛАВ, вражеский. East of your current position.
Lock horns, dude. Lock horns. Fucking lock horns, man.
Обнаружен вражеский ЛАВ.
Oh, we got Hilo.
Обнаружен вражеский танк.
Leave him out fast.
Hey, hey.
Oh, 2 health my ass.
Mm-hmm.
7.
flip that
I got
elo.
him.
Yeah, over.
Spawn on me.
Where you at?
I'm 6%, and he was 2%. Come on. Oh, thank you. The guy
You're
right
welcome,
downstairs.
sir.
Oh, we took one lap
Oh,
down.
this guy shot me. One shot at me.
Neutralized.
He one shot at me. Thank you.
Оборонять эту цель!
Thank you.
Вижу вражеского солдата!
I got to kill
We've taken objective Delta.
Right down there.
Lost objective Bravo.
Look at his Jeep. Got a hit on him. Fuck man, he's not dead. Oh shit, I'm saying finish him. Motherfuckers jumped up. Where's the other one? Shit, snipe.
Oh, there's a sniper. Yep.
Yeah, he hit me, hit me. There's a guy up here, there's a guy up here.
Jab. I got him. Got him.
Nice. Where's the medic guy at? Thank you, medic.
Right there. Where did he kill?
Guys
Jacob?
coming across.
I got him, but he got me with an impact.
Oh.
Go brush your teeth and go into your bed.
I got both of these bastards. Got him too.
Damn, man. Ugh.
Ah, P90 up that came up the other stairs.
Hey, love the guy. There's a love over there, Prince. Ah!
Yeah, there was a fucking.
There's loads of
I got
guys on the
19.
back, and there's a tank. There's a tank in the middle.
Yeah, fuck, you got C forward.
I got 19. I don't have any rounds left. That's it. I'm out of ammo.
Where's that love? There's a love around here.
What?
He's on the back road.
There you go.
Where's that helo? You're running
Let me
home.
see what he's got. What he has.
He's running home. Whoa, close.
Recon. He has recon.
Oh, I shot too quick right there.
We now have control of objective Charlie.
Come on, Olambo. You're better than that. Why you shoot so soon? You're better than that. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh shit, are your foot? Oh shit! Tank and shit. What the fuck? I know the healer's on my ass. I couldn't even shoot. I couldn't even shoot.
I didn't like that guy's setup. I don't like recon.
Oh man, who took the
Nah.
jet?
Oh, I should have bought in ammo. Fuck.
There's a love right up here. There's a love right up here. There's a love right up here. Come on, move, motherfucker, move.
It cost me a rocket, but I got him.
Come on, bitch, move. There you go. Nice. Nice, bitch. Yeah, that's why I love my slams, man. Come on, alright, man. I'm going to...
Both hands.
Yeah.
Marcus, go on to bed. Night.
Move.
Night. Sure. We got another oh shit, got love behind you guys. Somebody shooting at us. Hey, guy. Oh my days!
Fucking helicopter.
What's that jet?
Killer.
You lost that jet already?
I don't think there's anybody down there.
Delta is surrounded, man. Who's in this lab right here? Prince, move up. This guy's going across the gully. See them? And look at them down in the gully down here. Watch the tank in front of you, Prince. The tank in front.
Enemy soldier, due east.
And the guy right there too.
Come on.
Got the cross, I see them. Hilo. He's dead.
Alright, set.
Oh shit! He's right here, Prince!
Oh, what the fuck is that?
That guy put down some shit, we got a tank
repair
inside.
real quick.
Oh shit, no, negative, the tank sees you. RPG!
Damn, I threw.
He...
Damn, what the hell is going on, man? I think you. Where's that tank at? There it is.
Coming up the stairs behind you. I got sniped. They're on the hill. Sniping into the building.
I'm going down the staircase.
Go ahead. I dropped some slams, I shot some rockets. I'm trying to stop these guys.
Guy coming upstairs at Delta. If you
I'm on the other side.
Got it.
I'm going down for the slab.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down and try to get this for the
Oh shit, got a guy across. Motherfucker dead. Oh shit, love is right here. This bitch. He jumped out and he's not dead. Got it. Elo. Fuck, I'm reloaded.
You got me.
Damn. Guy in the building on Delta. Man, I'd have shot that helo clean, man, and damn, I was fully smart. I was start to reload. Maybe it was Bravo now, guys.
Alpha has been neutralized.
Give me a hit. Oh my god! Come on! What is that?
You see that helicopter?
Yeah, I see him. I was in the building again, man. This guy's inside Delta upstairs.
I'm up here, me and Joker.
He's up there laying down in the corner at the back of the room.
Yeah, what happened? Oh, something wrong. Thank you, Joker.
He's on the other side of the building. He's on the other side.
My gun just went crazy here.
Hey, helo. We got guys coming across. Oh shit.
That was ours.
Shit!
Yeah, thanks for that.
Bitch, sit your fucking fat ass down, motherfucker.
We just lost control of objective.
There's guys in the building towards me, JR. Oh shit, JR. Oh team, look at him.
Yeah, I can't see him. Jump down. Oh, God.
Jesus Christ, man. Damn, my whole team going up, man. Like 3 squad. 2 dead. I don't know about the other one. I engage only 2. Got kid, got 1, got assist off the other. Who's in this house? We got tank leaving Delta coming up.
Okay, I'm gonna, oh, there's another guy going. He just got blown the fuck up from the clean.
Oh shit, that got hitting something wrong. Oh, this is a tank in front.
I don't get it.
Hey, that tank going Bravo is wounded, man. Tank going Bravo is wounded. Got heal on the rooftop. Delta. Come on, lift off. Do something.
Objective Delta has been lost.
start to get red markers. Oh shit! I start to get red markers on the screen already. Out of regions.
Light armored vehicle east of where you are.
You get me again, brother.
You got boat moving into Alpha. Rib boat.
Come on, man. Stop getting him.
Yo.
Due east of your current position.
Oh, you down there?
Enemy
Oh
sniper.
shit! Oh, shit.
I'm getting sniped at. What is tank doing right here? What the hell?
A whole
Hey, Prince
squad
Solar.
came at
Oh
this.
shit. You're full. I'm getting sniped at.
There's a sniper east of your current position. Надо атаковать эту цель. There's hostile enemy sniper south of your position. We have neutralized objective Charlie.
You guys upstairs on Delta. This motherfucker jumped out the tank.
Are you kidding me? This guy's shooting. Look at him. He's still shooting with the LAV.
Okay, let's take you around the back here, baby.
What's going on? Fire. There's no mines.
Oh no. Guys right there, Jack.
Обнаружен вражеский солдат.
Hilo.
Spot.
Guy right here again.
Okay, I know it.
That guy in front.
Обнаружен вражеский солдат.
Upstairs.
Kill him, right?
Атакуйте
Yeah, I'm
эту
gonna
цель.
crush him like a fucking roach.
They won't stay there.
Due east of your location. This is an enemy.
Guy right to your left, Jack. To your left, to your left, to your left. Right here, right here.
Вражеского солдата вижу.
What the hell is that?
Oh, e-bot.
Атакуйте эту цель.
E-bot.
Вижу вражескую вертушку.
Live.
Neutralize objective Delta.
Right there, right?
Вижу вражеский ЛАВ. Вижу вражеский ЛАВ. Оборонять эту цель.
The guy up on that roof up there.
Look at him climb. Oh shit, they killed him. Counter the kill.
I killed him. I killed him.
Guy on the rooftop, see him?
Trying to hit him, but yeah, they got a spawn beacon up there.
Oh my god, my TV remote. Oh.
Oh, that's all.
Hilo ahead.
Вижу вражескую вертушку.
Get out of him.
No fly.
Nice shot.
No fly. We got a Jeep.
There's a Jeep. There's a Jeep.
My mind's gonna get him. Payback.
I got a kill assist.
We got a guy jumped up.
I
Got his
killed
robot.
him.
Repair 2 right here, robot thing.
No, that's not us. That's
I
us.
know. Kill it, destroy it.
You might be trying, but you keep moving. I can't keep him. I'm moving.
Well, fuck
Hey,
it.
you must have really killed the pussy up.
We got a beacon.
That's ours. That's ours. That's ours. That's ours.
Gonna come too close, I'm gonna drop C4 down on us. Shit. Hey, a rocket launcher came in just now. There's a guy on the ground to the left, JJ. Whoa. Leave the helo to me. Handle the guy. There's a guy on the left. The guy on the left.
Вертушка.
Told you, guy on the left.
Got us.
Yeah, he was on the left.
Oh, and he's teabagging us. Yes. Hassani. Oh, shit. And you're teabagging.
Oh, damn.
I got one of them.
Yo, how did he... Yo, come on, man. Yo, how is that dude still there? There's a guy still laying down. There you go. Got him. That was bullshit, man.
Oh, right up here with us. You downloading something?
The guy upstairs.
All right.
He was over here. Coming up the staircase. Other side staircase.
They jumped down.
Jump on.
We've neutralized objective Delta.
Somebody shot me from the side.
Yeah. Up here, Jay.
Yep, I see him. How are you getting that? Come on. I don't understand.
On the reload! Fuck me, this guy taking fire and pull a pistol out and kill him.
He killed both those fast.
Look.
I was hitting him with a shotgun right up close. Guess I wasn't hitting him in the right spot.
Unbelievable. One in the back. Cheap.
You know how them damn Europeans are.
Oh shit.
I don't want to fucking die.
We got a guy in the AA camping the AA all game over there. On the hillside. I popped and it's still fucking hit me.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that was it for me.
Alright, Joker.
I'll see y'all later.
What's next? What?
What do we do? 24-16.
What's next?
Oh shit, man! JR first and second, Prince fifth.
No, Uncle Joko was ahead of me.
Oh, so I came third then. You second.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, if you're in a race, right, JR?
Mm-hmm.
Let me try and remember where it goes. If you're in a race and you pass the guy that is in second place,
Yeah.
what do you become in the race?
First place.
Prince.
The winner.
Prince.
Chickens
Is
out.
Prince still here?
Yo.
If you're in a race and you pass the person that is in second place, what do you become in the race? What number you become in the race?
Second.
Good boy, JR said first place. You're gonna be in second place, JR. If you pass the guy that is in second, that means you're in third. So now you're in second place.
That's one of those tricky questions. 'Cause if you're still running and you pass the guy in second place, you're in first place.
No. If you pass the guy that's in first place, now you're in first. But if you pass the guy that is in second place, that means you were third, so you become second place.
Alright.
Okay, what you guys playing as? I'm going,
I'm engineer.
Yeah, that's what I am.
we're turn east. Okay, I'm going. I'm going ammo guiding. You guys handle the choppers and the V. We got a chopper outside. Go handle it. Go handle it.
I'm gonna go get
Come on, let's move.
There's already a helicopter on him.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I lost my bearings for a moment. Oh shit. How many babies have I got? Dude, I got 3 babies. Oh shit. What can you do? Oh shit.
Yeah.
They're here already. They're here already. Oh shit. Got truck pulled up outside too. Oh motherfucker. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I wouldn't heat it real long just to get it hot. Better try it, see if you like it first.
Hey guys, they got a lot of armors outside.
Well, I just killed one with my slams.
A lot of armor.
Informer.
You know, Informer if it did, right?
I took your phone.
Informer if it did. Gunshot flick up in a Informer head. Oh!
It's got wasted.
Brother cracking. You didn't last long. Let's run something.
Oh, damn, what a fucking fall in. That was something.
I don't want that.
Shit.
I got the guy as it just revived him, I got him. In the hills, guys, in the hills. Right side Delta.
I'm over here. I'm Charlie.
I have eyes on hostile people. West of your location. We have now taken objective Charlie. Come on, move! Let's go! Hostile UAV spotted. Take it down.
Yeah, Hilo. Doesn't sound friendly.
Listen up, objective Charlie is wrong.
Bombo club. Man, tank, y'all. Man's on top of the tank, yo.
I gotta see if they're up on this roof because I don't know how they're getting here.
Who's flying? Prince.
Yep.
Ooh, almost wrecked. No! Saved it.
I spawned too far by accident. Fuck.
Now control objective.
Well, probably I spawned far for a reason. I don't know. Prince, he crashed.
And
Trees.
look at this
Oh,
guy. Okay, I see.
He
where
got killed by a maple tree.
I see where
Those
you got
aren't
the
maples. Those look like Douglas firs or something.
Tower coming down.
Beautiful.
Fucking
A
lava.
pine tree.
Fucking damn. Glad one day when I get into that.
Oh shit. I see a guy went down. Where the fuck did he go? Where the fuck did he go? Oh my god.
Shit, I just took a shot. Took a shot from a helicopter.
Jeremy, I come in as a friggin' engineer. There's the guys downstairs, you know, guys. Fucking booby traps on this motherfucking rocket truck right here. Somebody shooting at me. Somebody shooting at me. Fuck. Fuck. Incoming! Motherfucker, you. Motherfucker, you. Oh shit, he's not dead. Oh, the rocket truck blew up. I got the slam kills on the truck.
Never Jeff.
Ah! Get in.
Damn, this guy's in the hills over there. Behind
That
Charlie.
guy just jumped down. Guy just jumped down and
Listen up.
fucking
We
Bravo.
just lost objective Bravo.
The guy to my left somewhere. Can you hear his footsteps?
Oh, there's 3 of them over there. Oh. Damn, the other side of the building. I love one guy. That's Charlie.
He's above.
There's 3 of them.
I'm waiting for somebody to come up the staircase.
Let me kill you!
Come on, man. Oh, the lane between Bravo and Charlie.
Objective Foxtrot was neutralized. West of your location is enemy vehicle.
You spawn at Delta and they put you over there.
Objective Charlie is now under our control.
Оборонять эту цель!
America's spawn on Delta.
Hey, we got guys right side Bravo. They're pushing to Delta toward that bunker.
Tobacco's neutralized.
Can't catch up with this bitch, but I can know it's there. Here he is. You bitch.
Anybody else?
That's him. I only see one guy moving in. They're behind us
Listen
though.
up, man. We have control of objective
Behind
Echo.
us?
They're on Bravo. We're losing Bravo, so obviously they're there.
Are we? Yeah, go back to Bravo.
We're taking LAV is leader. LAV is
Let's take
handling
it.
it.
Let's take it.
LAV is handling it. Let's push the Delta.
Обороняйте эту цель!
Sniper.
Shit. Who the fuck is shooting at?
Атакуйте эту цель! Обороните эту цель!
I got a tank.
Put down some slants. I'm going to Charlie on the bottom.
Tank is
We have
dead.
lost objective Alpha.
We got quad bike coming up.
Systems are going down, so we're gonna have to use the additional.
Обороните эту цель!
Alright, trenches in the
Boys,
tank.
keep the pressure up. Keep the pressure up. Pressure. We got transport Elo.
Вражескую вертушку!
Oh, too many trees. Right there.
Вижу вражескую вертушку!
Alright, Delta.
Damn, I got one and I got killed again.
West of your location, there appears to be hostile vehicle.
The red Delta.
Objective Delta is neutralized.
The little machines go up and down.
Shit. I ain't going down there. That smoking shit. Bad spawn for you, bitch. Ah, give me your tag, motherfucker. Yeah, you bitch, teabag these nuts. Yes, Mr. Sprinter. Got you. Fucking finally.
Oh,
Got
so
you.
tired of lagging.
Are you lagging? Do you say you're lagging?
Yeah. That's my internet.
You guys need to give your internet some upgrade. You're living in these United States of America. You should have good internet.
Эту цель
You guys
атаковать!
let the Japanese outdo your internet connections and shit. Oh fuck! At least I got one.
Where do you go?
He's right there, stabbing the wall.
You got him?
I don't know. Hold on, 2 seconds. Okay. Oh, you guys are all in combat down there. Oh,
Son of a bitch, he
shit.
came. Oh, he came from.
That dude just execute this guy with a 50 cal. Oh my god, I saved your life, dude! Another one! Oh, payback, motherfucker! You fuck!
That's the guy that shot me in the back. Memphis.
Oh shit.
Oh, he shot me. I got shot in the back again.
Where did it come from so quick? I just killed him!
He must have spawned on his phone.
Dude, I just killed the guy just there. Oh, shit.
I'm going to run.
See this rocket truck? Jump up, bitch, I'm a kitty. Jump out. Jump out! There's another guy in the front of the rocket truck, dude. Heads up.
Holy shit.
Oh shit.
These fucking guys lay down, man. I don't like lay down. Spawning in on somebody.
There's a guy behind me on this hill.
There's an enemy machine gunner east of your location.
Yeah, run, bitch.
Listen up. We're just
Same
taking
thing I'm doing
control of
right now. I'm
objective
running too. He's shooting RPG at me here. It exploded. Boom.
No, what the? No, I don't know what's going on.
Bagheera. No fly zone, you bitch. I like real. Oh, that was a shot.
There's a helicopter again.
I hear him, I'm hunting him, JR. Come here, bitch. Oh, I missed it, JR, I missed. Oh. The guy right here trying to save you, dude, but I couldn't get you in time, but the other guy killed him. You got sticked up. Guy by the rocket truck in the tank area, breaking down tanks here. Oh, they're coming in hard from this area, dude.
Hey, be advised, objective Charlie is now.
Oh, watch out left, watch your left, watch your left.
Going to Charlie.
They're downstairs in Charlie, JR, watch it.
Yep.
Ah, come on, come on.
Fucking smoke. I hate smoke.
Yep.
I hate. They should do away with smoke. It's so dark you can't even see your own guys, your guys. It's so stupid. I don't know how these guys kill you.
Let's come around shooting and hoping and praying. Come on, come on. Can't let these motherfuckers come and try to take the game from us once you get back around the back of them.
Come on.
Alright, fuck it. Let's go. Let's pass them and go over to Bravo side and shit.
Objective Alpha has just been
You know, these guys are on the roof shooting down Charlie. And these guys, you die and they pick you up so you get 2 deaths immediately.
I'm gonna go. Blocking them on the back of the tank. Got two of them up there.
I can't fucking shoot nothing to it. I don't understand what's going on. Here comes the tank.
Come on, Blueberry, we had the game, you guys. Charlie to Delta, come on, Charlie to Delta, Charlie to Delta.
Who the fuck is sniping?
Objective Alpha is now under our control.
Save the life, Blueberry. Got the dog one. Oh shit. Damn.
They're all downstairs.
Objective Bravo is now under our control.
Shooting the guy right in the head and not dying.
Same to the old banana clip on a man and I'm not dead neither. What are you guys doing up in this thing here? I'm getting out. You bunch of campers. What are you doing up in here? I'm getting out.
Be advised, objective Echo has been
I'm
neutralized.
coming now.
There's four people on that roof. These guys are shooting inside of the building. There you go.
You go outside, Buggy?
Look. Snipers. To the right, there's snipers. There's a spawn beacon here.
Spotted an enemy sniper, due west of your current position. We've just taken control of objective Foxtrot.
Sammy, put him on his lead, please.
What the hell? Some shit going on.
Oh shit.
We have lost objective Foxtrot. We have lost objective Foxtrot. Prime cover, incoming missile. I spotted a hostile anti-tank soldier to north of your position.
Come on.
Hello, you gotta get out. My son.
Damn.
Time to do chores.
No, you?
No, JR said, hey, Ma. Means he's gotta go.
Come on, guys, let's detect the other hotel objectives. Damn.
There's a hostile LAT! West of your position!
Come on, dude, don't go Alpha, man. I'm getting my face, man. are so stupid. If they're taking the inner objective, just go get a fucking Foxtrot and Echo. Damn. Dude is in the video and they just hovering over the freaking objective on Alpha. Look at them, look at them. Damn!
Got too many people laying back, we're gonna lose.
These guys are so
Too many
fucking
brigades.
stupid, man. Holy shit.
Sammy!
Be advised, enemy missile inbound. Enemy machine gun west of your location.
I got no time to fucking go lose right now, man. I'm going straight for fucking... Come on, Chuck. Oh my god! Shit. Dude, I can't get one kill. I died about 6 times straight. I can't even get one fucking kill. Each time I spawn, then I die. This is bullshit.
Advise everyone, enemy missile has been launched.
Hey, hold up.
Got it.
Prince, go. Oh, that's not your job.
No, but this guy's going below the board.
Enemy machine gunner west of your current location. Have eyes on enemy helicopter west of where you are.
Lift up.
Вражескую вертушку видел.
Gerald, there's a guy by you somewhere. Damn, 2 of them, Jay. Come on, medic. Thank you. Rocket truck. Oh, they got Marv. Oh, friendly Marv. Got a tank.
There's an enemy anti-tank soldier due south of your position.
Sammy.
Roger.
Hostile system breach. Be advised, we've neutralized objective Delta. Heads up, enemy.
Can the guys hear me? I lost not tight. Man down, man down. Give me some. Holy shit! Ah, he's lucky. Jesus fucking Christ.
Давай,
Advised, objective Delta has been lost. West of your location, there's enemy LAV. Hostile missile has been launched.
Fucking up. Jesus. I'm never gonna spawn in for the rest of this one. Let this one run off. Fuck. Like I spawn and I'm dead. Can you hear me, Prince?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, net server type error just now. Man, I got fucked up in the second half of the game. Shit. I couldn't get a kill for saving my life. God, I went negative, boy.